Hello.
Hello. Yes, my
Yes.
voice is audible.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes. We would like to introduce you to the participants, madam. So,
Yes, yes.
yes. Dear participants, our next resource person is Professor Shalini Lihitkar. She is from the Department of Library and Information Science, RTM Nagpur University, and she will be talking on the topic of OER in teaching, learning, and research. Thank you so much for sparing your time, ma'am. You may take your time.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
then.
Okay.
Mm.
Just I will share my screen. Just a minute.
Ma'am, is there any problem?
Yes, I'm just sharing it. Yes. Now the screen is visible to all.
Yes, it's visible from our side.
Okay.
Participants, please inbox.
Yes, we can start it now. So, good morning to all of you, and welcome to this faculty development program. And I'm first of all, I would like to thanks to the HRDC, Mizoram University, the director and the deputy director of this HRDC cell for giving me this opportunity to express my view before you on effective use of OER, that is open educational resources in teaching, research and learning. And this topic is quite interesting for all of you, as many of you are knowing about the OER, like open educational resources, but some of the resources you may not be knowing what we are covering in this presentation. And in our academic life, we are writing the research paper, we are writing research report, and many academic writings we are involving. So for this, open educational resources or even the e-resources are very essential to take the ideas of others, and whatever the minds we are borrowing from others, we should also attribute properly. So in this regard, this presentation will be helpful for all of us. As a faculty or as a teacher, you should know what are the resources which are available for educational purpose and how we can use it for our teaching, research and learning. And that's why we choose this particular topic in this faculty development program. So welcome to once again to my presentation on use of OER in teaching, research and learning. Now I hope the second screen is visible to you. These are all my research IDs, and to have your research IDs, you can see that in many whatever now you may be, this is a faculty induction program or orientation program, so you may be in the initial stage of your research. So whenever you start your research and whenever you publish any papers, uh, so you can spread it or you can disseminate your research output to the public, so that your research will be useful yeah, your research can be used by others, and whatever the result you have put, that result has to be in the public domain. Okay, so for that it will be very useful. And if you create all these research IDs like Orchid ID, Scopus Author ID, Web of Science Researcher ID, Google ID, or the Researcher ID, even Vidwan and Impact Story, like nowadays we are using this Almatric type of tool. So all this published paper has to be disseminated to the public, so that research visibility will be more, or we can boost our research visibility. So from that point of view, our research IDs are very important, and to increase our citations, that we should create our research IDs. So if you want to create your research IDs, then it will be another lecture, means 1.5 hour lecture. But if you want to do it, how to create it, and I hope most of you are having your research IDs, and for that, if you want to learn really, then you can use my YouTube channel is also there, and there is one lecture on the research visibility, how to boost it. Okay. So here in this particular presentation, uh, we are going to see what is open access, open educational resources, then how to search the journals, how to search the thesis, then how to search the IR, that is called as a institutional repository, then online learning platforms, then what are different or various useful resources are there, that also we are going to see, and how to use this OER for teaching, research, and our learning. So as we all know that advancement in science and technology has a tremendous impact on every field, and libraries are no exceptions to this, because libraries, whatever the resources we have nowadays, we are putting it in the digital libraries, and even the hybrid libraries also we are running, and even the virtual libraries also we are running, and all these resources we are putting in one platform, so that you should have the access in single windows. So for that, we are using the electronic resources, we are using the ebooks, we are using the e-journals, online databases, offline databases, and nowadays the users are more habitual of using all such type of resources. But previously, when there was no online platforms or online windows, so that time we used to go to the libraries, and we are searching the resources, and it will take some kind of time consuming process, it will be. Okay, but nowadays everything will be on your palm top and on your laptop. So you will easily get the access of all such type of resources. So there are two types of resources, like open educational resources and commercial resources. Okay, so commercial resources, if your library is having the subscription, then you can access it. But if you are not going to library, and if you are not using the commercial databases, then these are the open educational resources that will be a good alternative. Because in library we are facing the budget crunch. Okay, and it is not possible for every library to subscribe the costly resources. So in this context, open educational resources will fulfill the information requirement of higher education institution, and open access resources or open educational resources will be a good solution for academic institutions. So let us see what are the open educational resources. And before that, as we all know that we are searching from Google, we are searching from various search engines like Bing or Wikipedia's or the Google. So whatever the information we are searching here, that will be only the like web surface web, that is called, when we are searching the information from the Google, that is 4% we are getting the information. Now you can imagine, even in Google, once you type any keyword, then you will get lot of information, but that information is only 4% whatever available on the internet. Okay, so now you can imagine that in Google also we received n number of results, but that is only the 4%. Now we have to concentrate on the deep web. Deep web is nothing but whatever the academic sites are there, like multilingual databases, conference proceeding, government resources, website, different type of websites of the institutions, organization specific repositories, that is called as a institutional repositories, then academic information, even the some of type of medical records, legal records, scientific reports. So they are available on the deep web. So instead of Google, now there is a era of Googleization. Okay, but means if you develop your skills to search the particular information, and that's why we are calling in library science the information literacy skills. Nowadays, it will be very useful skill. We have to search the information. We should be able to retrieve the information or correct information, and we should be analyze the information. So that is called as a information literacy skill. So when you go into the deep web, when you know exactly what is deep web and how to search the information from the authentic sources of information, then that will be a good results you are getting. Okay, and we are not concerned much about the dark web, so that may be the illegal information, but we have to concentrate on what type of deep web are available and the information. So this presentation basically endeavors to throw a light on how to search the deep web, or what type of academic sites are there, or open educational resources are there, which we can use it for our research, for our teaching, and for our learning purpose. So there is a various type of resources: primary resources, tertiary, secondary resources, and tertiary resources. Primary resources means when the information is published first time, that is called as the primary resources. Secondary resources like abstract or indexes, they are called as a secondary resources, which shows the primary information and the indication of the primary information. Then tertiary resources we have in the library, that shows the direction towards secondary and the primary resources. So there are many type of resources we have in our libraries, like primary resources like periodicals, and many of you are using the periodicals, research monographs, research reports you are using. Some of faculty members which who are from science faculty, they might be using the patent standards, then trade literature, dissertation, thesis. So these are coming under the primary resources. Now we have the secondary resources, that is indexes, then bibliographies, indexing periodicals that shows the abstract and the indexes of the periodicals, and then abstracting periodicals are there. Review articles we have a treatise, then textbooks and the reference books. So such type of resources generally we are using it for the reference purpose, and which shows the indication or location of the primary resources. Then we have a tertiary resources, that is bibliographies of bibliographies, directories, and guide to literature. So these are coming under the tertiary type of resources. So when we all such type of resources are available in the online platform or the e-platform, electronic platform, then that is called as a e-resources. Now the concept of e-resources is clear, like e-directories, e-databases, magazine, e-journals, courseware we have. Then digital library projects, many projects we have in the library. Libraries are trying to what we can say digitize the material, and they are providing the various type of services from their collection or digital collection. Then we have the electronic exhibitions also, then e-conference proceeding. Nowadays, during this pandemic, we have learned many things like how to search the information from the web, and then how to take the online classes and all this. And now the HRDC cell is running the online course. So that is nothing but it is the result of the pandemic, where we learn that uh, how to develop the courseware and how to take the online classes and all these things. So we have the major databases, like some of the databases, they are coming under the commercial one, and library has to subscribe. And I hope many of you as a faculty, you are using all such type of resources like Scopus, if your library is having the subscription. Web of Science is there. There all subjects are covered. Google Scholar, although it is a free, so we will also go into the depth of the Google Scholar. Then Indian Citation Index, then PubMed, says Taylor and Francis, or we have the Dimension database also, Science Direct. So may I request the participants, if you are using this as type of resources, then you can just active your free fingers to write it down. Yes, you are using such type of resources. Can you? So that it may be the interactive one. I can see the chat. Okay. Yes. Manish has written. Anupa has written. Yes. Okay, good. So you are aware, and that's why I just wanted to know how many you are aware about all such type of resources, and you are good. You are using all such type of resources which your library are subscribing. Okay. Then we have the databases in humanity and social sciences, like Procase database we have, and their psychological abstract or the music periodical and the other sub databases they are providing. Other another databases in social sciences or humanities, that is Ovid database. Whatever the philosophy and the literature material, you will get it here in the Ovid database. Then you might be having the JSTOR access. JSTOR provide electronic full text of the complete set of over 1,000 journals in the range of discipline, social sciences discipline, and even the business and economics also they are covering. Then you may be knowing about the Social Science Research Network, that is SSRN. So that also consists of the abstracting database, it is generally, and it will cover also some of the social science field and abstract database this is. So these databases you can use it. Some of the databases they are commercial one, and Taylor and Francis databases are also there. There the ebooks of the abstract reference work you will get it, and psychological press and information healthcare also you will get it. Then you may be knowing about the SAGE online journals. This is also the database for abstract, and they are also providing the table of content, and they are also providing the full text access to the subscribed title. So we have a different databases, and all these databases they are like Taylor and Francis, SAGE, Web of Science, Scopus. These are the commercial one, and library has to subscribe it. Then only their users of the library they will get it the access. Okay. So apart from this subscribed databases, if your library is not having the subscribed databases, then there is one substitute, that is open access. So open access resources, that is nothing but it is available in the digital form, online form we can say, and it is a free of cost. Anybody can download all such type of resources, and many of the resources which is available in the open access platform, it is free from the copyright and licensing restrictions. Here it is written free from the copyright and licensing restrictions, but we have to just attribute whatever resources we are using it. Okay. So although it is a free from copyright and licensing restriction, but it is our duty, or it is our what we can say moral ethics, that research and publication ethics, we have to give the attributes whenever we are using the resources or using the minds of others. So proper attribution is very important. If you want to avoid become a plagiarist, then it will be essential for academicians to cite it properly, so that we should avoid the plagiarist, become a plagiarist. Okay. So open access resources means what? It is available digitally, and it is available with the website, and it is a free of cost, and which are be free from the copyright and licensing restrictions. Okay. So just we have seen it is freely available, free of cost. We can redistribute it without financial, legal, or technical barriers. Then users can read it easily, download it, copy it, redistribute it, or print it or search it. And we can use it for the lawful purpose. We can also use it, we can crawl them for the indexing purpose. Means if we have the library website or if we have the institution website, then we can make the link of all such type of resources in our library website. So there is no legal barriers for that. We can crawl them easily because it is coming under the free from the copyright issues. So only the thing is we have to give the proper attribution of the authorship, that is called as a citation. So citation is very, very important. And that in previous slide also we have discussed. So open access resources, that is we can redistribute it without any technical barriers or the legal barriers. So when you publish in the open access platform, then automatically your publications is having the higher visibility. So it will, because it will be available or accessible for all, and you will get it the higher citations, and you will get it more results, more readers for your publications, means for reading readers of your publication. So when our publications are available in the open access platform, uh, so more reader you will get it, and more citations automatically you will get it, and automatically your research visibility will be more, and that will give you the result in the form of the higher citations. Okay, so that's why whenever we publish the material, we should try to publish it in the open access platform. So how these resources we can use it for our educational purpose as a educator, as a teacher, we can use it when we are preparing our PPTs and for our students according to our student curriculum. There we can use it, our educational resources, whatever resources we have. Then as a student, you can use it for your learning purpose, for your research purpose. Then as a self learner, many of the resources you can use it as a self learner. If you want to learn more, you can use all such type of resources. So not only for the curriculum, but for the as a self learner, you can use such type of resources. And before the 2 years back in COVID-19, many of the publishers, they have provided the full text access. uh, they have the commercial databases, but in commercial databases also they are providing the free of cost access in the during the COVID period. Okay, so all such type of resources, if we are using it for our educational purpose, then it will be very good. We can come up with the very good courseware also. Okay, so we can use it for our teaching, for our learning, and for our research. So this is only the map. There you can see it, what type of resources are available. Like if you want to search, we are going into the depth of each resources. For searching the journals, we can use it PLS. Then directory of open access journals are also there. If you want to use it, the open courseware, then you can use it, the Swam Prabha. MIT courseware is also there. CEC Consortia is also there. EPG Pathshala is also there. Swam, Sakshat, NCRT, eGyan Kosh is also there. Then for searching the IR, uh, that road is there. DOAR is there, Directory of Open Access, Directory of Open Access Repositories. ROAR is also there. Then for searching the books, we have the Universal Digital Library, Digital Project. Project Gutenberg is also there. DOAB is also there, Directory of Open Access Books, National Digital Library of India. And if you are related with the science field, then free science dot information is also there. And even the NDLT, means National Digital Library of India, they are providing a very good resources. And now the National Digital Library of India, they are only the single window platform where you will get it all the resources. Previously you are getting only the books in National Digital Library of India, and but now you will get it all such type of resources in one platform. Then if you are searching the thesis, then Vidyanidhi site is there. Shodhganga for searching the online research in progress. You can go for Shodhganga. Sorry, awarded thesis, you can go for Shodhganga, and Shodhgangotri for research in progress. You can see the Shodhgangotri. Then Vidyanidhi is also there. NDLTD, NDLTD, that is Network Digital Library of Electronic Thesis and Dissertation. At international level, if you want to search the thesis, then you can see NDLTD. So these are the open educational resources, and for each resources, we are going into the depth of each resources so that you can have the idea how to search it and how to use us all such type of resources. So let us see first resource, that is digital library directory of open access journals, and which was launched in 2003 by Sweden, and it contains more than 17,963 journals, from which the 12,462 are searchable at article levels. And here in the DOLG, many countries they are involved, like 130 countries they are involved. So you can search it easily with the help of, if you are knowing the journal name, then you can search it according to the journal name, or according to the subject, or according to the article also you can search the records. It will cover all the areas like science, technology, medicine, social sciences, and humanities. And its basic mission is to create the awareness and to give the accessibility to all such type of articles and the journals. So many discipline it involves, all discipline, all universe of knowledge it involves, and it is a one stop shop for users, those who are searching for the open access journals. This is the homepage of the open access directory of open access journal. You can find it, the open access journals, with the help of, if you know the article keyword, then you can search, you can just click on the article. If you know the name of the journal, you can also uh, access it. Okay. So you can see here 80 languages are available. In 80 languages, the articles or the journals are available. 130 countries are involved. 12,000 journal articles, we can access it. And there are total number of 17,000, more than 17,000 journals are there. And you can see the big figure is that till article record, you can search it in the full text article. Okay. So how to search it? You have to just go to here, search string is there, and there just I have given the keyword as a economics. And economics, here also you can search it like subject search is there. You can sort by the relevance also, that is the good search strings they are providing. And if you know the journal name specifically or genuinely, then you can use this journal name. So if you go for the subject like agriculture or auxiliary sciences, then bibliographies, education, fine arts, general works, geography, and anthropology, then you can see it. Just I have given the type word, means keyword, that is economics. So in economics, there are many journals are available, many articles are available. And you can see that this particular article, like social security and fighting poverty, so that article, if you want to get it full text, then you can just double click on that article, then you will get the article. Okay. So their ISSN number, or who is the publishers, like Switzerland is the publisher of this particular economics journal, and you will get it the whole full text article. Okay. So if you want to search for the journals and articles, then you will have to search from DOAJ. So DOAJ is nothing but directory of online open access journals, and there that you will get it in one platform, all the journals which are available in the open access platform. So if you want to search for article and journal, you can use the DOAJ site. Okay. What happen if you are just doing the Googleization? then there you are typing. So n number of records are there, and we are confused that which type of information. Just I want to have the full text access. Okay. So if you know the particular site or authentic site to search the journal, then you will get it the result properly and you will save the time also. So now the second resource is that Google Scholar. Google Scholar, it is developed in 2004, and many of the articles it is freely accessible, and many of the books also you will get it in the Google Scholar. That is, it will be providing you the Google means scholarly literature. Okay. Even you will get it the conference paper, thesis and dissertations, many technical reports you will get it, and patents also if you want to search, then it can be possible. So there are near about 389 million documents or records are available, and with this 389 million records you will get it the proper information also. So Google Scholar, particularly why we have to use the Google Scholar. So there are many features of Google Scholar. It will be searching and freely access. They are providing it for the scholarly content, and that's why we have to search it. It will also explore all the related works, and you can easily locate your document through library. So there is one facility, My Library, and My Library is there. Okay. So under My Library facility, you can save your records whenever you search the records on Google Scholar, and if you want that this record should be saved in online in the Google Scholar profile, then it can be possible. Okay. We will see that how it can be possible. Then why we have to use the Google Scholar? Because it will give you the alert for recent publication. So if you set the recent alert in your Google profile, then automatically whenever the Google will publish or Google will extract or retrieve the publication based on your keywords, then automatically you will get the mail for alerting system. Okay. Then it will create a author public profile, and it will be easy to have the research visibility through Google Scholar profile. That also we are going to see. And if you are using this Google Scholar, then metric of the journals, like nowadays it is very important that journal impact factors and many impact factors, or even the H index, that can be useful for the scientist or the social scientist. So based on this, you can see where to publish the article. So metric of journals also, ready-made metric of journals they are providing. And based on that, you can select the journals and you can send it. Okay. So those who are having the high impact factors, you can send it there, so that your research visibility, or you will get it the more citations. So there is a library link and search facility also. You can, if you are using this library, Google Scholar library, then you can locate the information properly. May I know participants who are using this Google Scholar library or Google Scholar profile? You can write it in the chat box. I hope my voice is clear, or shall I increase my volume? Can any participant? Hello? I hope you are writing it. Okay. I am audible, so no problem. You can just write it whether if you are using the Google Scholar or the Google Scholar profile. Okay, audible. Good. Uh, may I request the participant, you can write it whether you are using the Google Scholar profile or Google Scholar library facility you are using. Anupama, Google Scholar library. Okay. Branali has written Google Scholar library. She or he is using. Any participant? Google Scholar profile you are using? Are you using Google Scholar profile? Okay. Rajni madam is using the Google Scholar profile. Okay. Using. Okay. Okay, if you are using the Google Scholar and profile, then it is good. But those who are not using it, they should learn it, because Google Scholar profile is very important when the H index can be calculated, or even the I-10 index can be calculated. Okay. So what is the advantage of the Google Scholar profile? The articles are ranked to produce the best solution to the search. Okay, Google Scholar, if you are using, abstract and citations can also be found in the Google Scholar. Google Scholar results are more academically and related than most of the search engine. So if you are using the general search engine, even if you are using the Google, and if you are using the Google Scholar, the results can be differ. Okay. So if you want to search it academically, then you can use the Google Scholar. Okay, every time. Then rank and list search result in order to relativity of the server search query will be higher. Then show how many article cited your article, because citation also it will provide, that we are going to see in depth. You can also limit your search result by keyword, date, and year. That also we are going to see how to limit our how to get it the exact result through Google Scholar. So there is a range of activity we can means we can identify the range. Like if you want to search only the result, uh, like in 2022, then you will get only 2022 articles. Okay. So we have to just refine it based on the range of the year range. Okay. Then you can create citation alerts that we have discussed. Search for many sources from just one search, and if available, the whole paper or article can be also located. And you will get it most of the article in Google Scholar. Full text article is available. Okay. Then why we have to use this Google Scholars metric? Because it will give you the citation metrics such as H index and I-10 index, which are computed in Google Scholar profile. Then new citation received by your work will also be updated automatically. So if your article is used by others, then automatically you will get the citation. So citation alerts also they are providing. It will be very easy and it will be very fast to set up our profile. And once you set up your profile, it is not transferable. So once you set up, then you should take care that your profile should be proper. Okay. Then it will be very easy to maintain and very easy to update it. So, and it will increase the accessibility of your work, and anybody can discover your profile and your work. So once at national or international level, anybody is seeing your Google profile, based on that, they will see that how to collaborate with that particular researcher. Okay. So that will be a good, and it will increase the accessibility of your research publication. It will be a gateway to measure research impact also. So because ready-made citation metrics they are providing you, and that's why it will measure the research impact. Okay. So you can see this is just I'm taking my example only. Okay. So this you can see that the Scholar profile is there, and here you will get it the citations. So whatever the articles you have, based on that you will get it the citations. So here you can see that how many citations are there, what is the H index, what is the I-10 index. So whenever you create your profile, in manually also, if it is not electronically or automatically extracted your publications from the databases or the other resources, then manually also you can type it whatever the publications you have. But if your publication is not available under the copyright uh, form, means copyright issues, then you can just give the abstract or bibliographical details only. Okay. So don't give the full text if copyright is not permitting. But copyright is permitting, then you can also give the full text access. Okay. So this is just the Google profile, and I have taken my own example. And here you can see that when you are using this Google Scholar, you can see that just I have given the keyword like economics. Okay. So here you can see that from 2022 or 2021. So you can customize the range according to the year, and you can give the preference also, relevance also, based on the date or based on the year also. Okay. So here you can see that once I type economics in the Google Scholar, then there are the articles, means results are there, and there you can see that how many results we got it. Okay. So 5 lakh 51 means 5 lakh, near about 5 lakh results we are getting in 0.07 seconds. Okay. But if you customize according to the year, then you will get the different results. So instead of 5 lakhs results, you will get it 60,000 results. So here you can customize it according to the range, year range also. And here you are observing that the star mark is there. So if you want to save this article, you can just click on the star mark, and that means your library. So here you can see that my profile and my library is there. Okay. So my profile, I will use the annotation. Here you can see my profile and my library is there. Okay. So here you can, if you click on the this star button, then it will save to your library. Okay. So this will be very useful. Just instead of saving to your laptop or in the Word file, you can save it here, and anytime if you want to use it or if you want to read it, then you can automatically, means you can read it because it is in your my library profile. Okay. The next option is that double inverted comma, and here you can see that site. So once you click on the double inverted comma, that means if you want to use it, this particular article in your writing in your article, then means if you want to cite it, this particular article, then automatically there is a if you click on the double inverted comma, then a reference management tool will be there, and according to that styles, like EndNote will be there, Mendeley will be there. So if you want to click on the style, then you can click on the style, and that automatically your records or citations can be arranged, means can be written. Okay. So that double inverted comma is very useful if you want to use it, this particular article as a citation. Then you can see that cited by 44447. So cited by 447 means this particular article is used by 447 other articles, means other researcher, and that means based on this we can come to the conclusion that this particular article is having the more citation, and that's why it will be useful for the particular title. Okay. Or for the particular search. So this is also showing that yes, this will be useful for this particular title. Okay. Then related article is also there. So in related article, so suppose if we want to use it, this economics report of the president, then again the same related article you will get it. So if you click on the related article, that means you will get it the same content in the other related article. So that is related article option is there. Then all two versions. So this version, it is available in google.com in HTML. But if you want that in the other format, it will be available. Then it is available in two versions. So if you click on the two versions, then you will get it the another version of that particular thing. Like you can see, this is available in HTML. This is available in the PDF, and the other file may be available in the other format. So like that, you can use it. So this will be very useful as a star mark that will save this particular article to your library. Okay. Then double inverted comma. If you want to cite it, then you can use this double inverted comma. And cited by 6808. That means this article will be useful because more people have used this article and it is coming under the citation. Related work, if you want that, this based on the similar concept, we will get it other articles. So you can just click on the related article, and if you want that this PDF file or the other format, you will get such type of article. Then you can click on the all versions. Okay. So I hope you will understand it. And the another is there. You can see that review article. So sometimes the research article, you may be knowing that the research article and the review article. So if you are doing one survey or any experiments, and if you are writing it with the help of the data collection or by the representing the tables and all this, that comes under the research article. Each article has their own format. Okay. So you may be knowing that review article and the research article. So if you want to customize your search as a review article, then only review article will come. Okay. So based on that also you can filter or customize your search. Then next is include patent. So if you want that patent should come, then you can use this patent. Okay. Then include citation. So citation will come. And there is one option you can see here, the alert, create alert. So if you want to set it, the alert, for example, I want that in digital library, whenever the new article is published, that I should be alerted. Okay. So for that, you can set your alert. So how to set alert? Just click on the create article, and then there you can set your alert. Okay. So based on the set alert, you can set the alert when the article is published on that particular thing, then you can set the alert. I will just remove this annotation. Clear. Okay. So here you can customize it and you can use it. Okay. Yes. So we have seen the DOAJ, Directory of Open Access Journals. We have seen the Google Scholar and Google Scholar Library, or even the Google Scholar profile. Then the next source is which the Inflibinet is providing the access through Inflibinet site. We can get it, the access, and it is a subscribed database actually. Show the Sindhu, and previously we have this N-list. You might heard about the N-list. So all resources or even the indexed database, they have merged in issue the Sindhu. So there you will get it, the 10,000 e-journals, 3 lakh 31 lakh 35,000 ebooks, 4 databases you will get it, and some type of other resources are also there. E-show Sindhu, but the library has to subscribe it, this e-show the Sindhu, and with the help of the distribution of access, you will get the access. Okay. So there are many publishers, well-known publishers, that like ACM Digital Library Resources, Cambridge University Press, JSTOR Archive, Procase databases. So all commercial publishers, they are merged in the e-show the Sindhu, and based on the subscription, library has to take their subscription, and if your library is having, then you can use this e-show the Sindhu resources. And many of the well-known publisher resources or even the databases, you will get it, and the ebooks also you will get it. Okay. Then how to search the thesis? You may be knowing that the Inflibnet is running the Shodh Ganga. So Shodh Ganga at Inflibnet Center will provide you the facility to deposit their PhD thesis and make it available to the scholarly community in open access platform. So once our thesis is awarded by the university or by the institutions, then we have to submit the online thesis, means online chapters of our thesis, or even in the form of CD, we have to submit it to the library or to the university, and after that it will go to the Inflibnet Center. So based on that, they have created a repository, and this particular repository is having the capacity to capture, index, store, and the disseminate and preserve the ETD, which is submitted by the Indian scholars or the researcher. And UGC regulation is also there to submit the compulsory. We have to submit the thesis in the electronic format so that it will go to the Shodh Ganga. and it will be accessible to all the institutions and the university. So nowadays means now we have a 3,70,000 collections means in the form of thesis, e-thesis. Till now it is uploaded on the Shodh Ganga site. So if you want to search the Indian thesis, then you can go for the Shodh Ganga site. Okay, that we will see that how the Shodh Ganga looks like. And many of you are having means you are using this Shodh Ganga site also for searching the thesis. You can see that near about 3 lakh 51 3.51 lakhs theses are available in Shodh Ganga, and you can see that Tamil thesis or the other language like Sanskrit, Marathi, Bengali, and Urdu and Oriya, Assami. So many language, Germany, Canada. So many language theses are also available in the Shodh Ganga. And Shodh Gangotri is for synopsis searching. Okay. So there you will get it. That also we can see that how this Shodh Gangotri looks like. So here in Shodh Ganga, you can search according to the subject. You can search according to the state. You can search according to the year, and you can search according to the university also. Okay. So how this Shodh Ganga material or the thesis are available? You can see that chemistry, commerce, economics, history, geography, sociology, biology, philosophy. So many subjects are available in the Shodh Ganga, and theses are available in this Shodh Ganga. If you are related with any subject, then you can search like biotechnology, mathematics, education, geology, medical, and the anatomy, marine science. So many theses are available. So you can choose it according to your choice or subject. So how to search it? You can generally we are using the keyword search, okay? Because we are not knowing that what is the exact title of the thesis. So we will catch some keyword. So based on the keyword, we can search it. Like for example, I have given the keyword as a economics. So all economics thesis will come here. Like you can see that as a economic, if you are typing it in the capital, then 9 theses are there, and small than 444 triple 45 theses are available in economics. So if you go into the depth of one thesis, then all bibliographical detail will be like this, like who is the researcher, who is the guide, then what type of keywords are there. Like here in economic form production study, Raebareli district social science economics both business and economics. So these are the keywords, and that keywords are matched with our search keyword, and that's why the results are showing. This is completed in 1986. Okay, you can see that once you go to the library, then sometime we may not be finding out the physical thesis available on the shelves. Okay, but here in the online, without going to the library, on your desktop or on your laptop, you will get it the thesis of 1986 also. Okay, so that is the beauty of this online platform, and here we are getting it all such type of content or access on our palm leaf. Okay, so you can see that how many means how to view the items. So there is a link of chapter thesis. Thesis means title, then chapter like certificate, preface, content. Okay, so you can just view, and open option is there. So if you want to view, you click on view. If you want to open, then click on open. Okay, so how it looks like, you can see all title thesis chapters are available in the online platform. And here you can see that if you want to click one chapter, then it looks like so. This is the old thesis, then I think this is the typed one. In 1986 we are not using the computers and all these electronic gadgets. So this is a type thesis, and you will get it in the Shodh Ganga. So if you want to search the thesis, Indian thesis specifically, then you can use this Shodh Ganga. Then the another site is the Shodh Gangotri. In Shodh Gangotri, whatever the research is going on, you will get it. Whatever the research proposal for PDF program, or the MRP, or the postdoctoral fellowship, or even the emeritus fellowship, you will get it here in Shodh Gangotri. and it will give you the trend and the direction of research. Generally, whenever we choose a topic, there or our students are choosing the topic, then we can suggest you, they have to use the Shodh Gangotri. Why? Because we have to avoid the duplication of work. Okay, and that's why we can use the Shodh Gangotri, where we can find out what topic is running, means what topic is in progress, research in progress are going on. So we can avoid such type of topic, or we can see that their period may be different, then we can extend the period. So like that we can do it. Okay. So Shodh Ganga is providing the database about the awarded thesis, and Shodh Ganga is providing the database about the research proposal which are going on in our India. Okay. And even the MRPs and the PDF data also you will get it in with the help of Shodh Gangotri. So in Shodh Gangotri, there are near about 7,645 synopses are available. You can use it. And if you want to choose the topic of your research or our students' research, then you can use this so that you will get it the idea how to choose the topic and what type of trends are going on the particular subject. So Shodh Gangotri is the repository of research in progress, and there now 8,771 theses are available, 19 MRPs and 26 PDF. And those who are getting the fellowship, emeritus fellowships, it is also available in the Shodh Gangotri. Okay. So how to search it? There is a search string is available according to the university or department wise. You can search it according to the date of issue. You can search it according to the name of the researcher or guide. Also, you can search it title, keyword. Based on that, you can browse it or you can search it. So here you can see that Swami Ramanand Tirtha Marathwada University, Mahatma Gandhi University. So according to university wise, they are providing you the data, how many synopsis has been submitted by the particular university. So based on that, also you can find it the university wise. So just give the keyword in for your particular subject or for your choice subject. Like I have typed as economics, and there you are getting it what type of thesis are going on or research in progress is going on. Okay. So here you can see that this is the first psychoeconomic aspects of development of aquaculture in Kerala. So that thesis, that research is going on in 2000. And once it is completed, then it will go to Shodh Ganga automatically. Okay. So here you can see that how the synopsis is there, and you can see or you can access the whole synopsis in Shodh Gangotri. Then many universities, just I have taken the example of University of Mysore, but other universities, why? Because previously they are maintaining this Vidyanidhi site, but now they have shifted to uh, IR, okay, that is institutional repository. So many of the universities, they are providing such type of IR facility, and their institution publications, their institution thesis, their institution articles and the journals, it is available in their IR. So previously, University of Mysore is providing access to the Vidyanidhi, but now they have converted into the IR. So we anybody can use this IR. Okay. So there are many resources like journal articles, books, and the conference and workshops items, and the thesis are also available. Then if you want to search the thesis at the international level, you can go for the Network Digital Library of Electronic Thesis and Dissertation. Okay. It is an international organization which is dedicated to promote the adoption, creation, and dissemination, and specifically the preservation of electronic thesis and dissertation. It will support the electronic publication in the open access platform, and it will also provide the access to the standard resources, and whatever the technology they are developing, they are also providing the access. And you can see that means near about more theses are available. You can see that 5927847 more than that also theses are available in the international level. So if you want to search the thesis of national level, then you can go for the Shodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri. And at the international level, if you want to search the thesis, then you can go for this Network Digital Library of Electronic Thesis and Dissertation. So this is the particular site ndltd.org. Okay. So there you will get the access. You can see that ETD search facility is there. This is the ETD search facility. So in ETD search facility, you will get it all the thesis, and you can refine your search based on the publication here, based on the source also you can refine your search. So here you can see that based on the language also you can refine your search, and you can search it globally, whatever the electronic thesis and dissertations are available. So just I have typed as agriculture economics, and there you will see that this particular on agriculture economics, this thesis is available, and which is submitted or awarded in 1987. And here it is available in the University of Arizona. So that you can see that. Okay. And then the next source we have. So till now, what we have seen, the how to search the journals, then how to search the thesis. Then we are going into the depth of how to search the open courseware or the courseware or the e-content. So you may be knowing or you may be using this EPG Pathshala. EPG Pathshala, it is under the Ministry of Education, and which is coming under the National Mission on Education through ICT, and UGC has taken the initiative and the main responsibility to develop or to host all this content or e-content to the InflibNet. Okay, so InflibNet is providing this particular access to 70 subjects at the postgraduate level, and there is a high quality content and the curriculum based contents and very interactive contents are available in different subjects of all the discipline, like social sciences, arts, fine, and humanities and natural sciences, and many science or linguistic are developed, and that content is having the high quality, and total 70 subjects are available, total 20,000 e-text, 19,000 videos, and total 3,200 experts are there. And one good thing is that they have developed the quiz also. So after reading or after listening the content or the video, the students can solve the quiz, and automatically after solving the quiz, what will be the correct answer, how many points you will get it, that will be they are showing. So it will be the good for the students or even the faculty members that we can learn or we can use such type of content in our class or in our courseware also. Okay. So this is the homepage of the EPG Pathshala. You can see that EPG Pathshala means EPGP and inflibnet.ac.in. So there you will get the access of the EPG Pathshala. Here you can see that 70 subjects are available and 22,000 modules and e-text and the videos are available. So any subject you can choose it according to your choice. So you can see that in computer science, 633 modules are available. In library science, many modules are available. So they have created their curriculum based on the subject, and they have given the responsibility to the Indian experts based on their experiences or based on their teaching experiences. And they have developed the high quality content and the assignments and the videos and the e-text. Okay. So students can easily refer this, and even the faculty members also, they can refer this EPG Pathshala content. So how to search it in EPG Pathshala? You can see that just subject search is there. I have given the keyword as economics, and there all papers will come. Whatever papers they have identified, based on that, all papers will come. You can choose the paper, and according to that, in this particular paper of Fundamental of Microeconomics Theory, 37 modules are available. So here you can see that if you want to choose this module like introduction, definition, meaning and scope of the microeconomics, then you can select this one. And after clicking on that module or selecting on that module, you will get the content. Okay, like the screen or the result screen will be like this, like e-text, means learning more and self-learning. So once you click on the e-text, you will get it all the text, okay, which is based on the video and the content. Learn more is also there. There the quiz and all things, or even the bibliographies or the other things are also available in like timeline. If you are accessing the content of the history, then timeline will be there. Then frequently asked question, FAQs will be there. So learn more is the facility. If you click on the self learning, so in self learning you will get it the videos and the like this you will get it the videos. So just I have taken my example in EPG Parshala, some of the key content we have developed, and there it is available in the library and information science subject. Okay. Then we have the different source like for e-Adyan, UGC MOOC and e-Pathya. So e-Adyan in this platform, 700 plus ebooks of post graduation level it is available, and this is based on the e-content which is created by the in EPG Pathshala. Their books are available. Okay, means that reference books are available. Then UGC MOOC that we are going into see in depth UGC MOOC. Then we have the access of e-Pathya. It is also the vertical of EPG Pathshala, which is a software driven course. But in EPG Pathshala, uh, that interactive course is not there. Only video and all these things you will get it. Okay. But in e-Pathya, software driven course is given at the PG level. Okay. Then you can see this SWAM. SWAM is a program, and many of you are knowing that what is SWAM. SWAM is a program which is initiated by the government of India, and it will give you the access and equity and quality of the content. So their main objective is that to provide the high quality content to the distance users, and they are providing the bridge between the digital divide for students, those who are uh, will be remained untouched by the digital revolution, or they may not be joining to the mainstream of the knowledge economy. So for that, the this SWAM courses or SWAM programs are initiated. You can see that how to search the SWAM. So you have to go for this swam.gov.in. Okay, and there you can get it all the e-content or all the SWAM courses. And many of these national coordinators are there, like AICT, then NPTEL, UGC, CEC, NCRT, then NIOS, National Institute of Open Schooling for School Education is also available. And here just course catalog they have given, and here you can just give the keyword of according to your choice, and there you will get what type of courses are running they are running. So if you click on the particular economics subject or given the keyword as economics, then you will see that uh, they will give you the course content. Here also you can filter your search according to course model, according to the course duration, according to the exam date, according to the course credit also you can give in. And now the UGC notification is there. We have to run the course, SWAM courses also, and uh, the students can transfer their credit by using the SWAM courses also. So that also notification has come out, and I think many universities I think in your universities also, all these things are implemented. So we have to promote our students to take some SWAM courses so that they can earn some credit from the SWAM courses. And according to the national education policy, many of we are revising our curriculum. So there also we have to introduce the SWAM courses, so that according to our subject, whatever the list is available on the SWAM courses, the students can have the choice and they can choose it and they can earn some credit from the SWAM courses. Okay. So that is there. Then Swam Prabha is there. In Swam Prabha, it is a group of 32 DTH channel and which are providing the high quality content by telecasting it by educational program. And every day there will be a new content for at least 4 hours and which would be repeated after 5 times in a day, because those students who are not able to join on the particular hour, they can be also have the access. So that's why they are just telecasting all the content and then they are repeating the content. Okay. So Swamprabha channel, which is launched by Ministry of Education. Okay. And there they are running the channels by covering this higher education and many school education courses also they are running, curriculum based courses also they are running, and they are assisting also to our students to prepare the for the competitive examination. So four DTH channels they are covering it. So how to search the course from the Swamprabha? You can according to higher education or according to school education, like level of the education, you can choose the course. Like for example, I have given the keyword as a law, and there I have choose as a subject. So according to the title, according to the course or subject, also you can choose it. There you can see that 6,558 records I have found in the subject of law. Means like you can see that UG, PG and other courses are also there. According to the source also you can refine your search. So refining your search is also important to get or to retrieve the proper results. Okay. So here you can see that in law, many courses are available. You can see here law, cyber law, they are covering, and based on that you can choose a course and then you can register it for the course. Okay. Means register it for the channel and you can access the content of the channel. Then we have the Sakshat. Uh, Sakshat is also maintained by the Department of Higher Education, and they are providing it the school content, undergraduate content, postgraduate content, and other online programs also they are providing. So this is a very good initiative. Sakshat, all these things are available in Swam Prabha, then Swam. This is only the initiative of the Department of Higher Education. Then at international level, so if you want to create it, means if you want to access it at national level courses, then you can use Swam Prabha, Sakshat and the Swam courses. Okay. Then if you want to use the at international level some courseware, then you can use this or you can access this MIT Open Courseware, and it is a web-based publication of virtually all MIT course content, and near about 2,400 above that also courses are available in the MIT website. You can see here that wco.mit.edu. Okay, so that site you have to access it, and there you can search it. Here you can see that how to search string is available, and based on that you can give it. You can find the course also here. You can see that in law many courses are available, and many text is also available. The good thing is that they are giving you the according to the subject, the course content they are giving you. And for example, just I have selected biological engineering. So biological engineering, whatever the course content like assignments, lectures, or the special element videos or exam or the lecture notes or the project. So they are providing in one platform here, the course content. And what will be the specialty like design, presentation with example, problem set. So they are also giving the specialty of this particular course content. So in that way, it will be very useful, all such type of educational resources. You can see that how one course I have downloaded, that is Introduction to Copyright. And here you can see that what are the course features, what are the course highlight, course description, and what will be the, so this will be the course syllabus, reading material, assignment, video lectures, download course material. Everything is available in the MIT Open Courseware. Okay. Then we have the other resources, online learning platform, that is eGyankosh. Nista is also there. NR, OER is also there. CC, eYantra, it is a very good for engineering. Then Badal we have. Then spoken tutorial, which is run by the IITs. NCRT, Shagun is also there. FOSI, if you want to use, or if you want to learn about the open source software, then you can use this FOSI. Then for science, virtual labs is very good concept, and there the students can do the lab project also in virtual lab practical they can do it. This is the eYantra site, eyantra.org. This is for engineering, and I hope means you may not be related with the engineering, so we can skip it this one. They are also providing the eYantra lab setup, um, and many resources they are providing through eYantra. Then we have these open searching. Till now, what we have seen for how to search the journals, how to search the particular thesis at national or international level, how to search the open courseware. Okay. Then we are going for how to search the repositories, institutional repositories. So institutional repository, we have the Global Directive of Open Access Repository, and that is launched in 2005. It is also the sister project of DOAJ, and they have taken the initiative. This is a collaborative project of University of Lund and the University of Nottingham, and many European countries they are involving in this DOAR project, and it will be giving you the quality assured repositories they are providing. Okay, so this will be the trusted service for the community, and for searching the means IR, means institutional repository, you can search, you can see that shepra.ac.uk. This is, they are maintaining this open DOR, and here you can search it. Search string is there, and based on that, you can search it. So you can also browse by country, and the advanced search facility is also there. You can see that how many, what type of contents are available there. In journal articles also, thesis and dissertations also it is available. Books and other chapters are also available. Conference and workshops papers are also available. Working papers, special types of resources are also available. Bibliographic references, learning object, data set, patent, even the software are also available in this IR. This is nothing but it is a directory of open access institutional repository. Okay. So all subject contents are available like social science, science, technology, humanities, and you can see that by country, like how many, like India 205 and now 206 repositories are available. So whatever the institutional contents or libraries or IR are available, you can access through this digital DOAR. Okay. So journal article, you can also use this advanced search facility to refine your search. You can see that this is the electronic archive of Kolkata University of Economics and Trade. And here you can see that how this particular, yes, how this even for many subjects it is available like multidisciplinary health sciences, law and politics, history, art, geography, agriculture, food sciences or food and veterinary sciences, chemistry, chemical technology, electronic and electronic engineering, agriculture, civil engineering. So all type of subjects is available in the open DOR. Then we have another source, that is Directory of Open Access Scholarly Resources. Okay, so this is a very good source if you want to search according to the ISSN. international center with the support of the communication and information sector of UNESCO. You can use this particular road, that is Directive of Open Access Scholarly Resources. It will provide you the free access to near about 1.8 million of bibliographic records and more than 2 lakhs digital titles. So according to the subset of the ISSN register, you can have the access to 1.8 million records. This is the home page of the road Directive of Open Access Scholarly Resources, and you can search according to the ISSN number or according to the title and the subject. They are providing access to the different types of online scholarly literature, and all literature are having the quality information and open access resources. It is available. Journal, conference proceeding, academic repository, the monograph series, scholarly blogs are also available in this road. Then another resource we have ROR map, that is Registry of Open Access Repository Mandates and Policy. So if you learn more about what is open access repository, and how to register for it, then that will be a good source. ROR map. So ROR map is a searchable, and it is the international registry which are giving you the information about the open access mandates and the policy, which we have to adopt it as a university or as a institutions or research funders. So what type of mandates and policy we have to adopt it. So it will give you such type of information through Registry of Open Access Repository Mandates and the policy. Then one of the good site, Infoport, is there. It is a subject gateway of Indian electronic resources. There you can search it and browse it, or you can use the multiple listing also. It is a cataloging of online resources which is originally developed in India. Okay, so whatever the electronic resources which is been developed in India, that you will get it in the Infoport. So here you can see that this is the site of the Infoport, and there all resources which is available in the electronic format in Indian, specifically Indian originated, that you will get it. So what type of electronic books, journals, directories, IR, then resource gateway, wikis, blogs, audio-visual content, or the e-learning resources, even the website, or sorry, teaching learning projects. So all resources you will get it in this Infoport site. Okay, so this is a good source. You can anytime use it. For searching the NDLI, that is National Digital Library of India. It is a project of Ministry of Education. Previously, it was Human Resource Department, and it will provide you the single window search facility. And here you can see that this is the project of IIT Kharagpur, and which is developed in 2006. And bulk registration, individual registration can be also possible. So bulk registration means if your library is having the different users, then there you can follow the bulk registration through library. You can register it as a bulk registration. If the through library bulk registration is not doing, then you can go for the individual registration to have the access of all such type of resources in through NDLI. Okay, so only the thing is, one, they are, you have to do the registration, and whatever the links they are providing you, you have to active the registration link. Okay, so what type of contents or what type of range of contents are available? So here you will get the lecture slides, video, class notes, courseware, theme paper, assignment, solutions. You can see that there are wide range of contents are available in this National Digital Library of India. Even you can, for us, it is very essential to prepare a question bank and the model answers. So for that also you can refer this National Digital Library of India. ETD also, they are providing master undergraduate research project books, annual reports, data sets, manuscripts, audiovisual content. You will get it in the multifaceted or multinodal content. You will get it. Okay. So this is a particular site ndli.iitk, that is kharagpur.ac.in, and there you can see that many contents are available, and it will be another it will take another time. Just I will go fast here. You can see that you have to register it. One registration form is there, and then you have to register it. They will just ask your the personal mail and your name, and based on that, that they will send you the registration link. And after sending the registration link, you will get the mail, and based on that, you have to just active the link. After activation of the link, then you will get the access. Or even if you are not giving or registering it, then also you will use some type of resources. Okay, but to have the full text access, you have to register it for that. Only the thing is, why they are registering, why they are asking to register, they have some records, who is using what type of resources. So for that, they are using taking the registration. So here, previously only books were accessible in National Digital Library of India, but now they have given a one window platform where all such type of resources are available, like books, article, thesis, video lectures, audio lectures, even many manuscripts which are very valuable, where rare manuscripts we can access it through NDL, National Digital Library of India. You can see that high figure plus books are available. 6 million, more than that, books are available in 70 language. 30 million records at article level is available. 641,000 thesis which is submitted by the research scholar, they are available. Many videos, audio, visual lectures are also available, and 30,000 more than that question papers are also available in this. So how to search it? First, set the language. If you want to access the content in Hindi or in Gujarati or in other language, you can set the language. Otherwise, English will be the by default language. Okay, so there you just have the search string is there, and there you can type your keyword and you will get the resources. But for particular refining the search is very, very important from library science point of view, and that also we are going to see. So in law and management, you will get all such type of video lectures, question bank, books and notes. Okay, law, when law is there, and that's why judgment, article, video lectures, question paper also you will get it. So here I will just give you some of the examples so that you can understand how to refine your browse result. Okay, so access restriction, one of this, I will use this annotation, just a minute. You can see that access restrictions. Okay, so access restriction, here you can see that open lock is there. Okay, and somewhere the closed lock, which I'm not seeing in this particular screen, sometime the red lock is there. Okay, so like this red lock will be there. So here open lock means it will be accessible to all. Okay, so that's why it is coming under the open access platform. And if the closed lock will be there, which is shown by the red color, that means you can't access the material. So you have to just restrict according to the access restriction. Author, they will provide you the list of the author. Based on that also you can search it. Subject category is also there. Based on the subject you can search it. If you want that PDF material or HTML material, or you want only PPTs and all these things, you want only Word file. So file format accordingly also you can search it. You can refine your search according to the language. Then learning resource type is also there, and content type is also there. And here we can see that how to search it. So here you can see that I have just given the keyword as a food science. I will just clear it. Okay, so I have given here the keyword as a food science. So there you can see that yes, it is coming. Now the red lock is there. So red lock means you have to subscribe it. Means library has to subscribe it. Then authorized resources, closed lock means authorized resources, limited resources, and NDLI member only. So like this access restrictions you can refine it. Then we can see the other one, that is author wise search. So once you click on the author wise search, you will get it whatever the author books are available, and you can choose it according to the author wise search. Subject category is one of the search where we can refine our search. That is, if you want the collection which is for only for natural sciences or the social sciences, then it will come. Okay, so subject search is also good search. Difficult level search, if you want that this particular food science is only for the medium level or the difficult level. So medium content or the difficult level content also you will get it. Then educational level, if you want that food science will be understand by only by the 10th class student and then PG students, then you can refine your search, because for PG we are going into the depth of the content. For 10th class, 12th class, we are going only the broad content. Okay, so according to the educational level also you can refine your search. File format accordingly also you can refine, like PDF, MP3, then dot MG, MPGE, like various format. Then collection, this is the language search, where if you want your material will come in the Bengali language or in the Hindi, French language, then you can refine your search. Learning resource type is also a good source. Like if you want only books will come. If you want that question paper only will come. Question set, self-assessment, solution only will come. Teachers lectures or teachers manual will come. Then learning resource type also you can define your search. Source type is there also, like if we want that food science will come only for this CBSE course, or then other subject means other source type, then you can also refine it based on the source type. This is a very good search, that subject search. Here, first level, second level, and third level search, we can do it. Like in subject search, you can type social sciences if you want the material for social sciences. And under social sciences, then all things will come, uh, like anthropology, sociology, so like that. And if you click on the sociology, then whatever the sociology concepts are there, sub contents are there, it will come. So first level search, second level search also you can do it, you can define it. So NDLI is a very good source, and it will given you the high quality content for any subject or for any source type. Okay. Then the another source is that DOAB, that is Directory of Open Access books, and there you will get it near about the 50,000 academic peer-reviewed books from 683 publishers. So that will be a good source. This is, you can see that the homepage of DOB, Directory of Open Access books, and there you can observe that agriculture, food science, then art and culture, law and political, all subject material, that is books, are also available in Directory of Open Access Journal. So you can subject browse by subject. So here you can see that law 340 books are available, law and society 29 books are available. According to publisher wise, according to language wise, according to just subject wise, also you can have access to these ebooks. Okay, so all books are available, and here the full text books are available, you can see it. Then we have a World Digital Library, which is maintained by Library of Congress, and the UNESCO is funding for that. So it is also World Digital Library, and there whatever the world material means world books are available, you will have the access through World Digital Library. Then we have the Universal Digital Library. So many million books collections are available in this particular e-books access. You can just have the access. Then Free Science is one of the good source for science, this thing. And there are many other useful resources which we may not be covering in 1 hour and 1.5 hours. So just I have given it in the slide, that is e-Krishi Shiksha for searching the agriculture material. EPUB is there, Krishi Kosh is there, Sera Consortia is there, and list that is merged in the usual Sindhu. Bookborn, Book Hub, Digital Book Index, Google Book is also, it is a very good source. Project Gutenberg for searching the books, Library of Congress, Honkat. So many useful resources are there. These are only just I have given the slides because it is not possible to cover everything in this particular 1 hour or 1.5 hour presentation. So this is the last slide which just I have taken it from that research visibility PPT or lecture, because as a faculty member, every time you have to publish the material, and after publishing it, you will see that your H index and the research visibility will be boosted. So if you are using these open access tools or open educational resources, or if you are publishing in the open access platform, then automatically your research visibility will be useful. And I'm observing that even your Deputy Director of HRDC, Dr. Verma sir, is publishing many papers, and his H index is high and profile is also high. So from that point of view, you can take the motivation from the faculty members and the other faculty members how to publish it and how to disseminate it for boosting our research visibility. So to sum up this particular presentation, we can say that open educational resources which is having the high quality educational content, which we can use it for our courseware, and which we can use it for our research and education and the teaching purpose. So this is only the just quote. You can see that this particular man is just uh, climbing, and he is saying that it doesn't matter how many resources you have. So we have the ample resources, but if you don't know how to use them, it will be never be enough. So as a library science professional, we should inculcate the information literacy skills among the faculty or among the users, so that they should have uh, skills how to search it from the various type of resources. Okay. And I'm just ending my presentation with the Samuel Johnson quote: knowledge is of two kinds. We know a subject ourselves. As a faculty member, we are knowing the subject in depth, but we should at the same time, we should also know where to find the information about the subject, so that we can update our knowledge and our subject. Okay. So thank you for all of you for patiently listening to me about this open educational resources. And I'm very much thankful to Professor Verma sir for providing me this opportunity to express my thought in this particular faculty development program. So thank you once and all. And Sir Verma sir has given me this opportunity. So especially thankful to Verma sir. This is first time I am in this online platform. So thank you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Madam, yeah. Thank you so much, madam. First of all, I am very sorry your joining time. I could not introduce you finally.
No issues, no
We
problem,
have
sir.
today BOS in department. So whatever capacity we are working as a deputy director, yeah, something. But when
Yes.
department
I
meetings,
can understand, sir.
yeah, so
Yeah.
when department meeting is there, so my presence is required because in BOS many outside department faculties are there, and sometimes department issue is there, so we have to take care of that small issue. So that's why.
Yes.
So thank you so much, madam. On behalf of the HRDC and Mizoram University, I am very much thankful to you. You have given a very informative lecture. Already all the participants, they are putting in the message box a lot of comments. So thank you so much for giving your time to us and sharing your expertise and knowledge. And I also request in the future also I will disturb you time to time. Actually,
Yes, sir.
so we will be in touch from professionally as well as now. I will also see some research collaboration from you, that part. Okay, we are the northeast last corner of the country, madam. Mizoram, after Mizoram, India end. So
Yes, yes.
Nagpur University is a very prestigious university. When we are a student, then at that time also we read the PhD Kumar sir book and we know his contribution. So
Yes, yes, sir.
in future we will be in touch, and some professional collaboration and research collaboration also we will.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Definitely, we can work in the
Yeah.
collaborative
I think
environment. Yeah.
6-7 years back we meet in the Gulbarga, if you recall.
Yes, 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 yes.
One
Yeah.
conference
Yeah,
was
and
there.
I am always seeing your publication on the Facebook, so that will be a good publications you are doing, and
Yeah,
it will be a motivation for all of us and even the participants
yeah,
how to publish the paper and how to disseminate it.
yeah.
So thank you, sir.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much, madam. And my office will contact you after 1 week. They will ask your details and other.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dear participant, this is a lunch break. So you go for lunch, and please try to join as fast as no lunch online, no problem. Even joining the lecture also, you can take the lunch. Okay, but be in time. This session was